Welcome. If you're here right now, you're meant to hear this. Let's take a moment. Breathe in, breathe out, and just listen. There was a young boy about to start school. His grandmother handed him a simple pencil, and with a soft smile, she said, "This pencil is just like your life." He looked at it, puzzled. How could something so ordinary carry meaning? She continued gently. First, you can do great things, but only when you're held in the right hands. Choose your people wisely. Let the right ones shape you. Second, just like this pencil needs to be sharpened, you too will go through painful moments. But every challenge, every scar, it's just life shaping you, bringing out your true potential. Third, this pencil has an eraser. You will make mistakes, and that's okay. Because every mistake is a chance to learn, to start over, to grow. Fourth, what really matters isn't what the world sees on the outside. It's what's inside, the graphite, just like in you, your heart, your values, your purpose. That's where your strength lives. And lastly, this pencil always leaves a mark. So will you? With every word you speak, every action you take, you're writing your story. Make sure it's one you'll be proud of. So if life feels heavy right now, remember you're still holding the pencil. You're still in control of the next line. Welcome again. You're not alone, and you matter more than you know.